Dun, 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 dun. Hi friends, this is Color. Today is going to be an unboxing video of our new arrival, E MATE TEC. Okay, now let's get started. Let's open it. Wow, I can't wait to see the new arrival. Wow, amazing. Attracted by the delicate outside package at the first glance. Let's see what I have inside. Okay. Wow. First, user's manual. So if you don't know how to use it, then you can check the book for more information. Okay, the base, the manual lid, contra-angle, other accessories, charger. Yes, lip hook. Okay, that's all about the products. Now let's install the contra-angle with the manual light. Okay, let's turn on light and see the colorful display. Here, there are some user settings. With built-in apex locator and line working modes. Okay, I'm very satisfied with these products. So here you go. This is the unboxing video of today. See you!